Hey YouTube, this is going to be making a video on Windows software and also AOL Messenger alternative. And this AOL Messenger alternative is called MiniAim, of course. Now, before I go any further, you need to make a new folder in your program files if you want to use the program. The reason why you're going to want to do this is because when you download this client, you're actually downloading the client itself. You're not downloading a file that you could just install the client on your PC, and then it'll create a shortcut on your desktop. But what you download is what you get, pretty much. So if you go to your computer or start menu computer, and then go to your hard drive, and then go into program files, then right click and make a new folder, and then call it MiniAim. I have mine right here. So once you made that folder, go in it, and then drag and drop the downloaded file that you actually got from the website into here, and then right click on it and then create a shortcut, and then put that shortcut wherever you want. For example, I put mine on the desktop and I renamed it to MiniAim. So that said, MiniAim is aimed for being a very simple, lightweight, low resource client for AOL, of course. And if you have a version of AOL that you downloaded from AIM.com, then I highly suggest you check this out. And if I were to double click this now by default when you double click it, it'll ask you to run it. All you need to do is just uncheck the box that says ask to run or whatever it'll say at the bottom. Just uncheck that so you don't have to keep on ticking that run button. So by default, this is a simple box right here. This is the box that you get. You could customize this a little bit, not saying a lot, but you customize it a little bit. Now this is the contact list right here, or the buddy list. So if I just sign on just to show you, and for all you cautious mother freakers out there, this will not steal your password or username, so you do not have to worry about that stuff. So if I just sign in, oops, I'm supposed to enter my username. Alright, enter my password, hit OK, signing me in. As you can see, it's loaded my buddy list. I got no buddies online. All I have is bots. Now I don't know if you could change this color, but actually it changed it for me. So yeah, you might have a green color in the beginning, but that will go away, so don't worry about that. If I just talk to the green and say hi, said it pretty fast, so it's really fast, really smooth. And you got a few options here at the bottom. You could close the tab. You could add click on buddy info. You could add the buddy. You could block the user, or you could warn the user. Don't know what this does, but someone got pissed at me when I did it on them before, so don't actually know what that does. I'll test it out on myself later. Anyways, you could put your text in bold, but or italic or underline. But I highly recommend you not do this, because every time you do this, you gotta keep on taking it. Every time you hit enter, it will not stay, as you can see. So that being said, for file you got sign on, sign off, and a bunch of other things. Same thing here. If I go to preferences, and the reason why I suggested you to save it in a folder in your program files is because if you tick this save options to any file, basically any options that you configured in this preferences window will actually get saved in any file in that programs folder. So if I click this and adjust the settings a little bit, so if I if I change the font, I'm gonna change it to Euro style if I can find it. If I change it to Euro style and have the text to be about 8, click OK. I can change the text color if I wanted to, so I'll change it to this color. The color has changed, and timestamp. You can have timestamps if you want. Change the events, show balloon events. I just tick that. Maybe that will work for Vista, maybe not, who knows. Connection, basically the connection, and shows you a bunch of things right here. So the host, the port, screen name, and your username. Reconnect with when disconnected. And yeah, if you have a proxy, basically you can add your proxy right here and stuff like that. In general, you got sort user list. Can't stretch this out as big. Text all wrapped up all over the place. So sort user list alphabetically or by availability. I like that one ticked because I don't like seeing people who are offline and stuff like that. Classic mode. If you took this, it basically all IAMs to one tab. I don't really like that, so it's up to you what you do. Log conversations to logs. You can log your conversations. Save password when saving option, so you can save your password if you really want. Once this is ticked, you can auto log in if you want. Cancel away to IAM and a bunch of other things here. I'll let you guys mess around with those, but that's basically it. If I hit OK, go to the MiniAim folder. As you can see, it made a miniaim.ini file. So now every time I launch the program, my settings will be saved and they'll be there once I launch it again, which is quite useful. So that's basically it. I think I missed a few things, but if I did, then just leave a message or leave a comment. And if you like this program, then yeah, enjoy it. And if you like my videos, please comment, rate, or subscribe. And thanks.